All right, cool guys. So we are going to give you a room tour now. I'm going to show you exactly how a villa in the Langkawi resort at the Ritz Carlton looks like. So let's get straight into it. So this is the little walk-in area. So you can put your shoes here. It's got a little place to sit down and put your shoes on, which is pretty nice. You have a nice little open view of their little garden area. You got like some greenery. It's really green here. That's one thing I absolutely love about this resort is that it's green. So let's get straight into the villa. So let's go in and I'm going to show you guys. So as you come straight in, you have this massive glass, which is absolutely wild because why is this here? It's not necessarily needed to be there, but it just looks amazing. So you have this. The villa is absolutely huge. It's a little bit messy because we've got here and we've just checked in and we've just enjoyed the place. I never got a chance to get the camera out, so I'm showing you guys now. So follow me and I'll show you. You got this little tabletop, comes with loads of water and stuff, so we'll be drinking it and stuff. So moving forward, you got this little area here where you can sit down on the couch. You have a banging view of the outside, and yeah man, this is where we've been eating our food, so it's been amazing. Now moving forward, you got nice decorations, typical Ritz Carlton's, really nice decoration, but let's show them what they have. So if we just come over here, you have the minibar, and in the minibar there's loads of stuff. So you got beers, all sorts that you want, you got wines, all sorts that you want, anything you can think of is in here on soft drinks. So yeah, absolutely amazing. So that's kind of what you get. Now moving forward, you can obviously see all of this is part of the villa. Again, the greenery is beautiful. Like, it's just a vibe to be here. So we just move forward. You also have a couch, again, with a banging view. So at night times, I like to sit here on my laptop and I've been doing work whilst looking at the view outside, which is amazing. So yeah, let me show you guys the outside. So this is one of the best perks of this villa. So if we have a look, you obviously been sitting out here as well, but as you can see, you have your own infinity pool, which is amazing. You have like a little bit of area to sit down in the sun lounges, which is amazing. Again, as you can see, there's a lot of space here, which just makes it amazing. The villa is absolutely gorgeous. Moving forward, as you can see, you have a private beach, which we have access to as well, which is amazing. And obviously you have the infinity pool as well, which is beautiful. So let me show you how you can access the beach as well. Come on, follow me. This is truly the Ritz Carlton experience. And you know what? The staff here, the Langkawi Ritz Carlton, have been amazing. You've got obviously, again, this little area of greenery, which is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, follow me. Let me show them the access to the beach. So you don't have to just open your door, go round and go to the beach. It's as simple as you just literally go down these steps, literally 10 steps, and you have access to the sand, which gives you access to the beach. It's absolutely beautiful. Come, let me show them. So as you can see, boom, I'm in my villa. I'm in the beach. I'm in my villa. I'm in my beach, which is amazing. And yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So let's go back up. Let me show you guys what the room looks like and what the bathroom and stuff looks like as well. So you can get a full, experience of the actual villa itself. So follow me. Let me show you guys. Oh man, I do love the luxuries of life. So, if you're interested in staying at somewhere like this, I didn't pay the ridiculously high prices that you would normally pay. This is like £1,100 a night. I only paid £82 for this hotel room, which is absolutely wild. And I'll show you exactly how you can do that if you make it to the end of the video, where I'll teach you how to get hotel rooms like this at any Ritz Carlton. Actually, screw it, at any Marriott, Hilton or Hyatt for literally pennies. So come with me. So like I said, you have this little area. You can actually open it. So let me show you, it's pretty cool. You can open it and you could go in there. So I don't know why you have this. You could lock someone in here, which is wild. But yeah, it's pretty cool. What I like is the terrariums. Imagine you turn this into like a real life terrarium. So it'll be absolutely beautiful. But yeah, pretty cool little concept. Nice little design that they have going on. So moving forward, fast forward, you've got this little area. This is the little closet. So if any of you come with the missus and they moan about, oh, I've got nowhere to put my clothes, look at all this space to put any clothes you want. It comes with your own bathrobes that say the Ritz Carlton Langkawi. Absolutely beautiful bathrobes. And through the wardrobe we go. There's loads of mirrors all over the place as well. But yeah, follow me. You have the bathroom, pretty small to be fair. I was a bit not so happy with the bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom compared to other bathrooms that I've been at in the Ritz Carlton. So you have a toilet to do it. Now, the cool thing with this toilet is it comes with literally all sorts of things. So it keeps the toilet seat. You can obviously put water out. So if we click that, water will come out and you have all sorts of stuff, of fans and stuff. So it's absolutely crazy. So yeah, follow me. I'm going to show you. You have a sink as well in here. If we just move here, you have a shower. So you have your own waterfall style shower, which is really nice. I used this morning absolutely amazing. The water is hot as hell, and you can literally, it feels like you're in a rainforest. Moving forward, you got the messy bathroom. Please don't judge, guys. The bathroom is a little bit messy, but you know, again, like I said, I really wanted to show you guys the room and not give you, you know, this experience because it's absolutely beautiful. So if you want to come here, you know exactly what it looks like. We have a 2-sink, you know, setup for the Mrs. and Mr. You have a bathtub, which is huge. I actually haven't used the bathtub yet, but the bathtub is amazing. And then you got a little makeup area for the ladies. I don't do makeup, but you know, if you come with the missus, she got area to do makeup. And let me finally show you what the room looks like. So if we just pull up to the room, you have basically a massive room with a full view of the garden area, which is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. You get a little TV there as well. So if you want to watch some TV, you got access to a TV to watch whatever you want on the TV, which is cool. Comes in and out so you can watch it from the bed. You have little lounging seats areas, but that's kind of what it is in a nutshell. And it has all the little amenities like the alarm clock, you know, the bed stands. It has a few buttons that do some cool stuff. So let me show you. So if we just click nighttime and put night curtain, as you can see, the curtains are gonna come down. If we just have a look, which completely blacks out the room, which is amazing because when you want to get some sleep, easy as ABC, you get to go to sleep. Look at that, cool. And as you can see, just like that, all the curtains are down. But yeah, that's the room tour. I wanted to keep it quite brief and quick just because there's so much to show in here. But I've shown you the most important things that you'd probably be interested in. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you as much of the amenities as I can because there's just so much to go through. I'm going to go through the different restaurants that you can get here, the buggy transportation, the gym, the breakfast. I'm going to try and show you as much as I can so you guys can actually feel like you're here with me. So let's get to the next thing. All right, so I'm currently in the buggy. I'm obviously at Langkawi with one of my friends, a good friend of mine. But what I wanted to let you guys know is that these buggies take you all over the resort. So anywhere you want to go on the Ritz Carlton, you literally call up for a buggy and the buggy takes you there. So we're on our way to go to the restaurant. I'm going to show you the restaurant. So they have two. They have a beach club and a restaurant. So today I'm going to eat at the beach club and then tomorrow at the restaurant so I can show you guys how both of them are and obviously enjoy it myself as well. But yeah, these buggies are a lifesaver. If we just turn the camera around, you can see there's buggies all over the place. And I mean, the main source of transport here is either these bad boys, your feet, or obviously, you know, the buggies for those that don't want to walk too tough like us. But yeah, that's kind of what it is. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you the beach club in a minute. Okay, so we've just got off the buggy and we've come to the restaurant where we're gonna get some food with Faith. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, the surroundings and what you get at the restaurant. So let me flip the camera around. So as you can see, you have the swimming pool area, you have a little jacuzzi over there, you got sunbeds as per usual with any pool, and then you got this beautiful view. So what happens with you've already got Faith in the pool as well, look at it. So yeah, with this resort, you have your own private beach. So as you can see, the beach is there. And you obviously got the ocean. You have another restaurant that's up there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the restaurant that's here right now. So let's go have a look at it together. But yeah, there's so much to show of this resort. I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as I can. But the restaurant that's here is called the Beach Grill. And I genuinely like this restaurant a lot because this was the restaurant I spent a lot of time when I was here last time, which was the Beach Grill. Very beautiful, you get an amazing view. The service is absolutely amazing as well. As you can see, there's like a little beach area down here as well. So it has like its own little, you know, access to the beach. You have obviously the restaurant and food. There's all tables and stuff, so I'm not gonna go around. There's just more tables there. But yeah, we're gonna get some food here. We're gonna get some steak, and I think Faith's, oh well, I'm gonna get some steak. I don't know what Faith's gonna get. But as you can see, amazing view. You have a little bar here as well for anyone that drinks. You have a lovely staff here. They've been absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm gonna get some food. Also, I'm gonna smoke a cigar before I get my food. So I've just ordered a cigar. So let me show you the cigar as well. So they've got all sorts of stuff. So they got a selection of cigars, shisha, whatever you wanna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smoke a cigar now, we're actually after my food and taking this beautiful, beautiful view of Langkawi Beach. All right, so the food has arrived now, and you know, the guys' services here are always amazing, like I say. So I'll show you what I ordered and I'll show you what my friend ordered. And yeah, I'm gonna get cracking into the food because I'm starving. So let me just show you guys real quick. So this is my view. Obviously, I've got fries, I've got a ribeye steak. My friend, what did you get?
So I got the prawn and avocado salad.
corn and avocado salad, and we get to eat it with a beautiful view like this. What an amazing view. But yeah, amazing service. No one's even here, so let me dig into the food, and like I promised, I'll show you some more of this resort. Okay, so we are now at the breakfast. I'm going to show you guys exactly what the buffet looks like. It's absolutely amazing. But I'm going to show you kind of what we've got right now on the table, because we went and picked some stuff up because I'm starving, so I'm going to eat first. After I've eaten, I'm going to go show you guys the buffet. So they've got an omelette station. So Faith has made an omelette. You always get these at the Ritz Carlton, or actually any Marriott hotel gives you an omelette station. You've got this, which is a local dish. It's called roti jala. You also have, you know, standard British breakfast, and Faith ordered some. So you got some rice, beef. Yeah, what did the Chinese section? Yeah, we went to the Chinese section, so you get quite a lot. And then what you also get is the choice of ordering off a menu. So this is the menu you can order off. I don't know if you guys can see. And then with this menu, you can choose anything you want as many times as you want, and it's for free. It comes on board with the breakfast. And then you obviously have the buffet as well, which I'm going to show you guys in full in a minute, what you kind of get in the buffet and everything. So let's see what is in the buffet. So we're just going in. So I'm going to start from the beginning of it. So it starts here. I'm going to kind of show you what the place looks like. So it's very nice, clean. You got an indoor area and an outdoor area to eat, which is where I was sitting. You've got this, which is just a drink section of whatever you want to get. Fast forward, hello. So this was the omelette section I was telling you about that Faith was using. They'll make any omelette you want to. If anything you want, they get it made. We also obviously have British breakfast area. Thank you, that's the chef that makes a beautiful omelette. And you got the English breakfast type of stuff with sausages, mushrooms, bacon, chicken sausage, potatoes, and then you got all sorts of drinks. My favorite is the apple juice, which I can't see, so I'll come back and get it. I'm gonna get the cranberry juice. You got all sorts of desserts. You got donuts, they're actual local desserts, which is really nice. I tried a few of them yesterday, which were very, very nice. And you got anything you could really ask for with donuts, Danish stuff, so it's very, very nice. And then here we have, I've not seen this before, don't know what this is, but you got a bit of condiments, you got cereal, and then on this side, the noodle area. So yeah, you got all sorts of noodles that you want, and you can create your own one. You got the dim sum is there. Yeah, and then you got dim sum if you wanted any dim sum. So yeah, there's loads to pick from basically. So let me just show you. And then they got this area, which is kind of their local cuisine, which I really like actually. I've actually started to like their local cuisine a lot. So you got all sorts. You got the rice side of things, noodle side of things. This is the beef that I got. And that's a fish, isn't it? Is it a local fish? Okay, wow, I need to try that for sure. So they got some local dishes. You got fruit as always, some dessert at the top, frozen ones. And then here again, these are some local dishes. You got nasi lemak, which is very local dish. You have some steam fried rice, amazing. And yeah, you got anything you can really think of. Some chicken curry with potato, that looks nice. Beef and honey sauce, all of this looks nice as well. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat all of this in a minute, but yeah, very, very nice. And then fast forward with the last bit of it, you have the dessert area, which is you can make your own breakfast, which is pancakes or waffles, which makes it amazingly nice. Okay, so what we have also is a little retail shop. So if you want to buy anything or take any souvenirs home, you have this shop. Got all sorts of stuff. It has like Langkawi style, you know, souvenirs. It also has, you know, a lot of Ritz Carlton stuff as well. So as you can see, there's some Ritz Carlton hats that I kind of really liked. I was gonna buy. There's a bag, you know, there's all sorts of stuff you can buy from here, and it looks really nice. So yeah, anything you need, there's a little retail shop. But also on the other side, there is an activities room. So let's have a look. So if we just come in here, see activities room, you got marbles, a little bit of everything. You got Faith playing on the PlayStation. Are you a child? Children play video games, mate. Grow up. I'm joking. Look that with the face on you. Yeah, I'm gonna jump and play now as well. So you got PlayStation. Yeah, I'm gonna play as well. And yeah, you got like a little kids area to play on the tent and stuff. But yeah, man, very nice. There's so much to this resort. Like I said, I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can, but obviously there's way too much to show. You got classes and activities as well. As you can see, you got your wellness week, day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There's always something going on here, which just makes it amazing. Even like the breakfast is always different. Even like, you know, the activities are always different, which makes it special. So yeah, amazing. We're gonna go get a massage. So I'm gonna show you guys the spa as well when we get there for the massage. So we are now at the spa, and we've picked our treatments. So I have picked tonic massage. Do you want to tell the people what that massage is?
The massage is a full body massage.
Full body massage.
Pressure you can adjust with the trapeze. Either you want it to have a medium to strong, relax. But this one is come together with a back cleanse, a cool fast towel at the back, and a pressure point. That is different from the normal massage.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. And then you have all spa facilities here. You were saying there's a jacuzzi.
We have jacuzzi, sauna, and also a steam room.
Steam room as well. Amazing. And we can use that after the massage to relax. Amazing.
You can come to use it every day.
Thank you.
Here in healthcare.
Yeah, thank you so much. Amazing. So yeah, as you can see, we're getting ready to go in. I'm gonna just show you guys around the spa because it looks beautiful. So you have a nice ocean view, which is beautiful. You have like this little lobby area where you sit, you do your consultation. But yeah, very beautiful. You have the lovely massage ladies. Hi. And then yeah, here it goes towards the spa area. So you go through here, and I think the jacuzzi and everything is here. So I'll show you guys the jacuzzi when we go. But it's just a dream. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. Wow. So the facilities are this way. Thank you. So they're taking us to the facilities.
We'll provide the changing room and also the shower room that side. And then we also provide the doctor for both of you to get same. So you both may get same first. And after you are ready, we will bring you to the treatment room.
Thank you so much.
Proceed the treatment. So get ready with the bathrobe, disposable underwear, and also the slipper inside the locker. And you can put your thing inside, lock with the 3-digit and hashtag. And behind we have a steam sauna jacuzzi.
Can you show us up?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So here is our steam room.
Okay.
And also sauna, you can use 10 to 15 minutes each. If more, your body will be dehydrated. And then we also provide a cool towel for you to use it after you come out with the ice fountain.
Ice fountain, wow.
Yeah. And then outside is a vitality pool. It's same like jacuzzi. Just press the green button, it will be turned on.
Okay.
And here is a relaxation area that you can enjoy the chill juice inside the beach, and also the some food and the dry nuts and fruits.
Oh wow, thank you. Beautiful. Let's get ready for this beautiful massage then. Thank you. So as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to get this exact same stay for £89, because it's nice to see me stay at the Ritz Carlton in Langkawi and get the experience through a screen. But wouldn't it be better if you actually was at the resort? Well, that's exactly why I've put together a completely free credit and travel hacking masterclass with over 2 hours worth of content showing you everything that you need to know in order to fly first class and stay at 5-star hotels, all through the power of credit in 2024. So check out this video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to make first class flights and hotels cheaper than economy flights and hostels.